All right, go
Okay,
ahead.
so first we have 3 over 5 times 2 multiplied by 2 over 4. So first you're going to multiply the numerators. 3 times 2 equals 6. Now we're going to have to multiply the denominators. 5 times 4 equals 20. So the answer would be 6 over 20. But you have to simplify it. So in order to simplify 6 over 20, you're going to divide 6 over 20 by 2. Or you divide 6 over 20 by 2, you're left with 3/10. So the answer is 3/10.
All right, I totally agree. Guys, let me talk about something. Last week, I don't know if it's this class, because to be honest, I have so many classes. Sometimes I might say something to one class and I did not say it to the other class. But this was a problem that came up. If you have 6 over 20, what type of fraction that is? Let me open the floors. What type of fraction is this?
Proper fraction,
It's
sir.
a
Proper
part to whole
fraction.
fraction. Part to whole fraction.
All right. Look at this now.
That's an improper fraction.
Improper
This is an
fraction, sir.
improper. We have to know
Improper
the difference,
fraction.
right? For this one, we can only reduce. So when it's a proper, you reduce. In this case, you can divide into, because you can say 6 into 20. How many groups of 6 you can get out of 23 and remainder 2, right? So this will give you 3 and 1/3. However, this one we cannot say 20 into 6, because if you have 6 things, look here, you have 6 things. Let me see for 6, 2, 4, 6. Can we get 20 out of 6 things?
No, sir.
No. So we
No,
cannot say
sir.
20 into 6 goes 3 times and remainder 2. No, we can only reduce it, right? By dividing by 2, since they are both even numbers, and then we get 3 over 10. But this one now, it's 3 and 1/3. You see the difference? This one is a fraction. This one is a whole. And for those who have the book, if you don't buy the book, guys, you don't need to. It show you that, I show you how to convert from mixed numbers to improper, and I also do improper to mix. Because over the years, those are the problems that I've seen. Students mix up this, mix up that, mix up that.
Sir, I have your book.
All right, so you can look at that, man. Well done, Philip. You
Sir,
got
I
that
Yeah,
got
one
the
correct.
book.
Today.
Okay, today you got it.
Yes, sir.
Guys, so I don't know if you forgive me now, guys. I just want to know. I never know, so it's so stressful. When I go to sport, oh God, them treat you like say I know business them I do. I fit in a line long, long, long. Sometimes them say, oh, we not work over here, say now, oh,
excuse
what they
me.
say you fit going on. It's rough, it's rough. But it worth it, guys, because guess what? It literally will help me to teach you guys so you can learn faster. Because you have access to that 24/7.
Sir, I
Sir,
got
how
the
do I
book
get one of those
yesterday.
books?
Yeah, Ibar, you have to meet me, Ibar, because we can't do the home something. You see, if they close off a tree, we can just say, all right, we could flash go this one. It hard, man. Every day me travel with it still. So every day me travel with it. I have it same way. And
We're in
guys, me I go
Hereford,
a
sir.
Mandeville. Me I go a Mandeville, but me can't go everywhere in a
We're in
Mandeville.
Herefordshire. We're in Herefordshire, sir.
If you want, me can leave it at Kingston Bookshop or Pavilion.
Sir, how do
Okay.
I get one of those books?
So I just go there and tell them my name and pay.
No man, no man. I will leave it there with someone.
Okay, and I pay mommy pay.
Yeah, you can pay me same way. It don't matter. Or the person that I leave it with. Either way, but you can get it, man. But I have it, I have it in a box a long time, because I thought that, I could have reached to you and so forth. But every time it does not work out.
Okay, sir.
Um,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
do you deliver by Knoxford? Because I'm all the way in St. Anne.
I've delivered to every single parish already. Not for it's in what, Jacksaw? That's Jacksaw.
Yes.
Yeah, so me I know places now, I never
Sir.
know about those places. Yeah, man, everywhere. Everywhere when Hunsford go our post office. The post office take 2 to 3 days. I never know say post office offer such a awesome service. You can get it in 2 to 3 days, guys. Sometimes the same day, depending on where. So you can get it, man. Cause I sent off some on Monday and then by Wednesday persons were saying they got it. And I said, no, you can't get it so quick. I thought post office take weeks. But it's days now. So everything are improved, guys.
Have you came to Manchester yet?
I come Manchester the 23rd. But I told guys, because me not drive up on nunca, me no know a place. You understand? When me know a certain place at Kingston, me no know man there. And I be a big house, me see. Me not see nowhere else where you can just go chill and him something.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. I be a big house, me see down a man there. Big up for yourself, man. All right. So guys, we have to know the difference between them, right? Yeah. All right, I'm gonna do one more because we want to look at the division and we're gonna go to mix. The morning class, we managed to go to the mix. I think some persons were here because they came on a bit late, so they would have missed the first part. And guys, if you don't know, if you miss Saturday evening, well, Saturday evening I last one still. Because Tuesday we start over again. But if you miss your class, you can always come to our next class, because it's the same thing we're doing. It's just that it's so many students, we have to spread it out. All right. So we could do another one. And let's hope everyone break it down to its lowest, because a few persons never break it down to its lowest a while ago, They add what? Don't remember. But not everyone break it down to its lowest. I think some persons add it like this, 6/20 and send me. But you should have divided by 2. Alright?
All right, so what I did was I multiplied the numerator by the other numerator, and which is 4 times 5, which is 20. And then I multiply the denominators, which is 8 times 6, which equal 48.
So 4 times 5, which is 20. And
8 times 6, which is 48. And when you look at it, you can see that they are both even, so 2 can go into it. Two into 20 goes 10 times, and 2 into 48 goes 24 times. You can still divide both numbers by 2, so I divide it by 2 again, and 10 into 2 goes 5 times, 24 into 2 goes 12 times. And the final answer is 5/12.
Yeah, I agree. And guys, just to know when to stop. You see, whenever there's no number apart from 1 can go into both the numbers. Like this, you come back to this, I was talking to my physics students today about this. Look at it, guys. I forgot left off 3, 4, and I have 6 and 12. These are the factors, right? There's no number apart from 1 that can go into both of them without leaving a remainder. So we have to know our factors. We have to know our multiples. All of those things. All right? Very good. Nice presentation, though. Nice to see the new persons talking. Guys, this class encourage everyone. All if you're not 100% sure and you want to try, still try. No one is going to laugh and say, oh, you got it wrong. This is a different class. Students will more encourage and say, you want me to help you? And every year is the same thing, That is story. Every year we get students were nice. So that would be 512. So guys, don't give me this as the answer because they are both even numbers and can be broken down. Yeah, man, we know some new people there. Welcome, welcome. All right. Very good. You guys are doing awesome. But guess what? Sir, time to show an example. All right, let's go. So guys, just head up this first before we begin. Wait, I'm gonna make it stay up on the screen just in case. Yeah, man, you can divide by 2. Once it's an even number, yes, you can divide by 2. Remember, all even numbers are divisible by 2. And if you look at the first part of your book too, where you have the notes, type of numbers and stuff, you'll see those notes as well. And I may also make you write examples of your own even numbers, examples of your own odd numbers, and so on. I should have prime numbers too, you know. Why I never put that in there? I have things we may have to improve on to, you know, guys, in terms of the book. Some topics, like decimal, I need to put decimal in there. What happened? The person was limiting me in the number of pages, so I end up the leave of decimal, as in the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Looking back, I know that I should not have done that. I should not have done that. So I'm gonna include it in the next one, because decimal is a very important. So don't know what I was thinking, but we live and we learn. No, so guys, yeah, that's should have never done that. All right, so you're gonna add up division. The persons that were here this morning, if you wrote it down already, I know you came on late, so you probably would have written down the rules. You don't necessarily have to write it back. But if you came afterward, yeah, I write down that. And guys, I gave the other class 5 minutes and everyone was able to complete it then. So I'm gonna see if we can write down all of this in 5 minutes. Division of fraction, that's the next heading. And these are the rules. When dividing fraction, we follow these rules. 1, we keep the first fraction on the left. We're gonna look at what we mean by that. 2, we change division to multiplication. And 3, we flip the last fraction. Alright. Make it stick. Alright, so we have a half divided by 3/4. Look what the rules say. Keep the first fraction on the left. That means this one is on the left, which is a half. 1/2 is a half, right? So we're gonna keep it as it is. See we did? Alright. What the second rule say? Change the division to multiplication. So we're going to change this division here to multiplication. And this is an important step. Although all 3 important, but I think this one is where students normally make a mistake. We flip the last fraction. What do we mean by that? The numerator becomes the denominator, and the denominator is like you turn it upside down. So the 3 is the numerator now, it becomes the denominator. And the 4, which is the denominator now, it go up on top. So you see it? You flip the fraction itself. And then of course you go back to the rule, which is multiplication rule that we just did. We know how to do the rule, multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. So I could do that. So it's gonna be 1 times the 4 and 2 times the 3. So we have the 4 right here. So 1 times 4 is 4 and 2 times 3 is 6. Then of course we divide by 2. So we get 2/3. So if you have a half and you divide it by 3/4, the answer will be 2/3. Of course, one example is not nothing. So we're gonna look at another one and then we take the questions. Or we can take the questions after this one before we do the next one. So I'm going to open the mic and see if we have any question. Anything we're not sure of? So we can, oh, it's open. Can go over
Excuse
it.
me, sir.
Mm-hmm.
I have a question.
All
How
right, go
did
ahead,
we get the
Tatiana.
how did we get the 1 times the 4 and 2 times the 3?
All right, thank you so much for that question. So the rule says we keep the first fraction, which is the half. So we did that, right? We have the half here. We change the division to multiplication. But look what the last rule says. Flip the last fraction. So it's like you're going to do it upside down. You reciprocate it. All right?
Oh, I understand now.
Yeah. That's why you have teachers, guys. All right? So two person just said they got the book. Yeah, man. I love that. Thank you guys so much for telling me.
Sir, why do you flip over the fraction?
All right. Just like when we are doing this, right? It's the rule to carry that. But I can explain a little more. Let's say you have a book. You see, if it was a physical, let's say we have a page. You have one book page, right? And you divide it in half. How many parts you have now?
2.
2. So look, 1 divided by a half give you 2. Look at this now. Guys, at college, me go learn them something, Me always think say me an A plus in maths, and then when me realize at college, me go learn maths the real way. Maths me already pass and get straight A now. At college, me go understand the maths. Alright, look at this now. Let's say we have 1 book page and we divide it into 4. So instead of folding it once, we're gonna fold it 2 times. So it's a quarter we are divided by. How many parts we get?
4.
4.
4 parts.
All
Sir,
right.
this fraction thing is in the prime mathematics book.
Yeah, man. So that's why they say that, it's like as if we are multiplying by this, right? So it's like 1 times 2 give it 2, 1 times 4. So they say, oh, it's like we're multiplying by the whatever the denominator is. Because if we were to do it into 1/8 as well, it's the same thing, right? We're gonna get 8 parts. Somebody might open. We'll get 8 parts. So that is why them say it's as if we are multiplying by this number. So that's why them say let's change it to 1 times 2 over 1. 1 times 4 over 1. Shakuri.
Whoever play that, please.
Yes. Please stop that. Alright. So that is why. I'm gonna have to put that person in the waiting room till they're ready for class, You understand, guys? So
Yes, sir.
yeah. So that is why we change it to
No, sir.
multiplication and we flip it.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So basically
sir.
you can use your
Yes,
book
sir.
page and basically do that. Alright.
Will
So
I
let's
be
look
in
at
class?
Sir,
let's look-
somebody said no.
Yeah, man, I know it too as well.
Will I
Alright.
be in class?
Sir, could you do this again?
No, we're gonna do another example. One thing with me, guys. If you know me, I don't like confusion. I'm not gonna give when half of the class get it. Everybody's supposed to get it by the time the activity time. So I'm gonna do another example before I give activity. That's how I work. Because I want the entire class to get it, not half of it. Because for those persons who don't get it, they're gonna be so frustrated. And then when my students are frustrated, I am frustrated. So I could just do another example, to make it kind of sink in. Like you see meat, and you see your parents are rub it up, rub it up, rub it up. Yeah. So I just do it one time. Then not channel, them do it enough time. When you see meat, you just rub up the season all over. So I could, We season it up properly. And then now everyone will be asked to do the activity. By then everybody kind of get it, the hang of it, and so forth. All right, so let's do another one. All right, I'm gonna ask someone to give me a fraction. Since Tatiana and is up already, give me a fraction, Tatiana, please.
Okay, sir. You can do 3/4
All right.
divided.
Whoa. 1. Next person, I'm gonna give me the next one. Yeah. Ariana, what you want us to divide that by?
3/4 divided by 5/6.
5/6. Thank you so much. So you see, guys, it's not Mr. Winning question. It's the students. 2 person represented you guys. All right, let's go. So according to the rule, we have to go back to the rule, right? Rule 1 say, keep the first fraction. So the one that Tatiana gave me, I'm going to keep it, right? So I'm going to keep 3/4. Now we change the division according to rule 2. Change division to multiplication. So see here. That's what the rule says, right? And we multiply, and then we flip the last fraction. So it should be 6/5. And then now we apply the multiplication rule. Deandra, what does the multiplication rule says? What do we do next? Go ahead, Deandra. What's the next move?
Sir, you keep the first fraction on the left.
But we did that already. So it's the next one from here. We are at this point.
You're going to. Sir, did you say multiplication?
I did. See here? Division to multiplication.
So
What's the next step?
Flip the last fraction.
We already did that. That means that person was not following. Let me just check another person that was actually following. That's why I'm going to do this sometime. Casey. Hold on. It was on Casey, but it fell off. I don't know what happened. Go ahead, Casey. What's the next step?
Then you multiply 3 times 6 and 4 times 5, which gives you 20.
That is what I was listening for. We are at this point. So all you had to tell me, 3 times 6, just like what she did, and 4 times 5. So let's do that. How much is the 3 6s?
18, and 4 times 5 is 20. And
all right, thank you so much. Thank you so much. No, man, may I save a question for another person? Let me see who for hand up. Next person, hand up, I'm going to ask the question. Tori J, what's the next move? We have 18/20. Is it complete? No? Not here, Tori J. All right, something wrong with Tori J. Mike. We're going to move on to someone else till she figured it out. So, Liana, you are the next candidate. What's the next move, Liana?
So you're going to see what can go into 18 and 20 without leaving a remainder.
Tell us, please, what it is.
Which is 2.
All right, so we divide by 2. What's the answer? It's gone.
It's 8. Wait, 8? Yes, 8.
The answer is 8.
Wait, Charles. 9. And then 2 into 20 is 10.
Okay.
But sir, I also have another way to divide it, okay, sir?
Yeah, man, no problem. All right. Let me ask someone else. Is this the final answer? Deandra, is this the final answer, or we can reduce it? Can we reduce it more?
Can turn it into a whole number.
All right, tell us how to do that.
To say 9 into 9 goes 1 times and then 1.
So you're saying we should divide 9 by 9 and 10 by 9?
Yes, sir.
And what's the answer?
I got 1 and 1 over 10.
All right, stick a pin. Kaheen, do you agree with that? Can it be reduced? 9 over 10, can it be reduced? Somebody said they can't unmute them mic. All right, not getting Kaheen. Anthony, do you agree? 9 over 10 is the same as 1 and 1 over 10.
No, sir.
Why? You disagree? What's the reason? No reason? I am mute back yourself. Go ahead, Anthony. Why? Give us the why. That's what the class has stay, guys. We just reason about maths sometimes. Why not, Anthony?
Sir, I don't have a reason why.
All right, that means we have to go to somebody else because there must be a reason. If you're gonna disagree, you must have a reason why you're saying. You know, make no sense to me, you know, because. I'm listening for the because. All right. Jamari just come across. Me feel say Jamari thinks a class for 6 o'clock, you know. Well, I go on for Jamari. Let me see who else now. Ariana went already. Deandra went. Tori J went. Nahala. Me forgot the name now. Go ahead. You know you matter. Why? What's the reason, Nahila?
Sir, because 9 and 10 don't have the same factors.
Thank you. There's no number apart from 1 that can see the factors of 9 here. So the factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10, right? Only 1 is the only factor that both of them. So there's no other number that can divide equally into 9 and 10 without leaving a remainder. Remember what I showed you the example when I showed you a while ago. First, and I said, guys, we must never ever make that mistake. 9 over 10 and 10 over 9. Totally different thing. This is what we call a proper fraction. And this is an improper. This one, with the proper, it can only be reduced. But with this one, we say 9 into 10 goes 1 time and 1 over 9. So you cannot get 10 out of 9. And we cannot divide by 9 because 9 is not a factor of 10. All right, so these are some of the things that they will be testing you on. So guess what, Mr. Bennett, have you test upon it first and correct you before you go to the examination. So 9 over 10 is indeed the final answer. You see why someone was saying, sir, give me a question. And I said, no, rush it. Take with time. Because at the end of the day, we want everybody to get it. We don't want 90% of the class can do it and the other 10 are suffer. That's not teaching, you know. So guys, guess what I got? We're gonna do one more because now he takes me the answer. We're gonna do one more, guys, alright? I did say 2, but because we made a mistake, we're gonna do another example. That's the right thing to do. Alright, so we have 3/7 divided by 2/5. Alright, let's go back to the first rule. Keep the first fraction on the left, which is the 3/7. So we're gonna keep the 3/7, not a problem. Let's go to the second rule. Change the division to multiplication. Very important rule. So this becomes multiply. Flip the last fraction, or we can say reciprocate. So it becomes 5 over 2. No longer 2 over 5, but 5 over 2. Tomorrow, you know, family in. So we have multiplication, 3 times 5 and 7 times 2, which would give us now 3, 5, 15, 7 2s 14. So guess what? It's an improper. So guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna say how many groups of 14 we can get out of 15 things. Just imagine you have 15 marbles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Can you get a group of 14? Yes. We get one group of 14, which is the whole number. And how many remainder? 1 out of the 14. So this is how we convert. All right. So make a note of it, guys, and your time to shine now. So we're gonna do some on our own. Let's go. Success. Go ahead.
So, sir, first you're going to keep the 2 over 3. Then you're going to change the division sign into multiplication sign. And then you're going to flip the 4 over 5 to 5 over 4. Then my way of doing it is seeing how many times 2 can go into 2 without leaving a remainder, and 2 can go into 4 without leaving a remainder. So 2 into 2 goes 1 time, and 2 into 4 goes 2 times. Since there's nothing else that can work down, you're going to multiply it. 5 times 1 is 5, and 3 times 2 is 6. And then that's the answer, sir.
Yeah, correct. All right. And guys, 5 over 6 cannot be reduced anymore, nor we can get, if we have 5 things, there's no way we can get 6 out of it, right? Because the 5 is something like, that's a decimal, you know, 5 over 6. We're gonna also do that to convert from fraction to decimal. So with this 5 over 6, we'll leave it as it is. That is our answer. Thanks so much, Liana. I'll try about the other Liana and Jake one. I don't know what went wrong there, but I'll try you guys back. Alright. Here's another question, guys. Let's go. We cannot take 6 into 5 one time. That's a lie. We cannot get 6 out of 5. Alright, 3/4 divided by a half. Yes, it's a proper fraction. Very good, that is it.
So first, sir, you're going to rewrite it, but you're going to put 3 over 4 times, and you're going to flip a half and put 2 over 1.
Well, Michelle, so you say right back 3/4.
Yes, sir. Then you're going to say times 2 over 1, because you're flipping the half. Then you're going to say 3 times 2 equals 6. Then you're going to say 4 times 1 equals 4. Then you're going to write the factors of 6 and 4. The factors of 6 and 4 are, for 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. And for 4 is 1, 2, 4. Then you're going to say 6, the common one is 2. Then you're going to say 6 in divided by 2 equals 3, and 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Then your answer would be 3 over 2. Then you
Or,
can put it down more.
yeah. To convert it to mix. A lot of persons leave it at this, but I want you guys to do it to mix. So you can just help me.
Then you're going to say 2 into 3 goes 1 time. So you put the 1. Then your remainder is 1. So you're going to put 1.5. Like,
Yeah, that is it. So guys, when you have it, 3 over 2 different from 2/3, right? Because we can get 2 things out of 3 things. If you have 3 things, you can give away 2 and you have 1. So that's why the remainder is 1. However, if you have 2 balls, you cannot give away the 2 balls. As in 3. You cannot give 3 balls out of 2. So proper, the numerator smaller than the denominator. We have to remember that. Very good. Thank you guys so much. Somebody said, why you break it down? All right, why we break it down, guys? Sometimes the answer is in its lowest term on the exam paper. It's in its lowest term. So that is why we have to do it like that. All right. So it's 1.5. So you said 2 into 3, 1 time, meaning you can get 1 group of 2 and 1 over 2. And guys, remember, as I said, we have to know how to do this. Like, for example, how to convert 5.5 to mix. Well, this is mixed to improper rather. We say 5 2 is 10, and that's 11 over 2. And we have to know when we have 11 over 2, how to convert it back to 5.5. For those of you who get the book, you can check it out. It's there. Yes, I-bar, because it's an improper. So we just, yeah. Whenever you say like this, we just do it. Very good. All right, one more, guys. Time. When I just start class. Where time gone? Where did time go? All right, let's do another one. After this, guys, if everyone get this, we can look at the mix. This should be the only class I don't do a mix. So I want to do a mix with you. Mix up and blend. So I could just match up the one here and then we can go to the mix. So next week we're gonna be doing mixed fractions, all 4 operations, starting from addition, just like what we did earlier. We'll start addition, subtraction, then multiplication, division. It's gonna follow that order again. Three-fifths divided by a half. Good luck. So 3/5 divided by a half. Show your working, please. Well done, Renardo. Break it down for me, Liana. Break it down. Guys, I won't accept any unless I mix number this time. Break it down for me, Tucson. I want you to we just show you how to convert to the mix. I want us to do that, all right? Oh, this can zoom. I can't see it, you know. Ariana, send back a different pic, yeah? Please. You have to zoom in on it. You don't need to take anything else but your page, you know. Just the page. Well done, I-bar. You convert it to mix. Thank you. So when it's an improper, convert it to mix, guys. This person got it as well. This person write really big. I don't have a number saved though, but good job. Somebody said on OneView. I can't open OneView on my laptop. Correct, Casey. Good job. Well done, Deandra. And you don't convert to mix. Why it takes so long for you? Why if I show how many persons that takes? Computer and shaking. Correct, Galia. Good job. This person did not convert. That's actually convert it from more, please. Convert to mix. Mix up and blend we are dealing with now, guys. What about the others? Susanna, see you send me something. I'm gonna check it out. And clear now. Well done, Susan. Susanna, see you fully focused and I'm gonna big up yourself. Well done, Javid. What are we consistency though? Consistency. Can't read that, you know. Tell somebody to take the picture. Somebody send video. Guys, I don't even listen to voice noting class. I can't open the video. This person need to convert it to mix. Ariana, please convert to mix number. Next class, we're gonna start the class with the well, it's gonna automatically come out though with the mix number. Yeah, it's gonna come out. Well done, Kadian. No problem, senior. No problem. Well done, Kianai. Well done, Najan. Well done, Symphony. You guys, you know, sometimes I forget the chat. Well done, Leona. Hey, you don't convert it, man. You don't convert it, you know. Send it back, please. Well done, Kashina. Well done, Najan. And your mom named Kenisha. Good job as well. I need to get your name. I think your mom takes it in. Well, Cassidy, yeah, Cassidy. Good job, Cassidy. Correct, Ariana. That's Ariana number 3. Somebody figure rule 3. I got say rule 3 to you and you're gonna understand. I text it to you. When you see me say rule 3, you figure rule 3. Never must we ever forget rule 3. Alright, Ariana number 4. Let's see what you did. Very good, Ariana number 4. Alright, let's go. I'm gonna up in the chat and then me up to the solution. It will be my time to do some work now, you know, guys. Oh, that was Deandra Brooks. Now let's say I'm done. Should I send it to you? Yeah, guys, always send it to me. Nobody else, just me. Oh, sorry, Leon. I don't know what happened. Why you couldn't unmute, alright? Somebody really says, sir, when his class gonna over. Oh my God. Guys, we're gonna over in 13 minutes. So that's 7 p.m. Guys, when I ask them something, they make me hurt, you know, me hurt. Because like you say, yo, how this I take so long? Correct, Roger Charles. Alright, so we could see if we can. Alright, let me check out this one, Blackwell. Correct, Blackwell. Upside down picture, send me doing a pick up so. Alright, so let's see. This one here. Alright, so after this, guys, I want to show you something. Go ahead, Deandra.
So first, what we're going to do is that we're going to keep the fraction on the left, and then we're going to change from division to multiplication. So it would be 3 over 5 multiplied by 2 over 1. So first, we're going to do 3 multiplied by 2, which is 6. And 5 times 1 is 5. So it would be 6 over 5. So we're going to say 5 into 6 goes 1 times, remainder 1 over 5.
Yeah, I agree.
Answer.
Yeah, I agree. Very good. Alright, let me take off them something here, guys. This is what we're gonna be doing next week. Mix. I'm so excited because I think you guys will do well. Today was super awesome, in my opinion. A few persons did not reduce every single one, but yeah, we can forgive that. Few persons did not convert to mix, but we guess what? We know how to do that now. So let us go on to the mixed numbers. And it's basically gonna do the 4 operation. We're gonna start with add and subtract. So let's do an example. So let's say we have 1 and 3/5 plus 2 and a quarter. And we wanted to add these. So guys, 2 ways we can do it, but I'm gonna be doing it one particular way, which is to convert from the mix to improper. Check out that. So what does the rule say when we're doing that? We're going to multiply the whole number by the denominator. So 1 times 5, and we're going to add the numerator. And we keep the denominator. We'll do the same thing for this. I'm going to ask someone, what's the whole number in the fraction 2 1/4? Start with somebody with animal. Tessania. Where's the whole number there? What's the whole number there?
The whole number there is 8.
8. All right. Thank you so much. Ariana, what's the whole number there?
Repeat, sir.
In 2 1/4, what's the whole number?
9, sir. Sir, 2.
2. I think I said 9. I change it? All right. Deandra, in 2 1/4, what's the whole number there?
Sorry, the whole number is 3.
3. In 2 1/4, right? Senior, what's the whole number in 2 1/4?
So the whole number in 2 1/4 is 2.
Alright. Let me see somebody else. Haley, go ahead. What's the whole number in 2 1/4?
Sir, I say 8.
8. Alright, thank you so much. Zoe. Why did you jump off of Zoe name? Zoe, go ahead. What's the whole number? 2 1/4. Okay. Alright. I think I got basically everyone on that was up. Deandra, Ariana, and Tessania Henry. Tori J. What's the whole number, Tori J, in 2 1/4? Not hearing Tori J. I think it's the second time I click on Tori J and not hearing. Guys, a few persons' mic seems to be giving problem. We're not hearing you here, Tori J. If you're hearing us. Oh God. That can be frustrating, you know. We're not hearing you if you're hearing us, alright? Alright, we'll call on somebody else quickly. And there's no other hand up though. So yeah. Alright, let's move on. Guys, it means that it's too old, as in too old. WHOLE, right? I think that's the old I'm talking about, you know. Too old. I think only persons that I think, because I don't know how you get the 9. Oh, like when you convert. Oh, I see what you guys are saying. I see what they think. All right, no problem. So it's 2 times 4 plus 1 over 4. Now let's convert it. 1 times 5, which is 5 plus 3, 8 over 5. I see what they're talking. This they were talking. All right. So they went ahead of me. 2 4 is 8, and that 9 over 4. I see what they were doing, guys. All right. So that's that. All right. So now I want somebody to tell me. We have 8 over 5 plus 9 over 4. What is the next step? Listen, I like how your mic can make be nice. Go ahead.
Sir?
What's the next step from here? 8 over 5 plus 9 over 4.
I'm gonna add 8 plus 9.
Okay, to get 17. Alright, thanks. Ariana Beckford, what's the next step here? 8 over 5 plus 9 over 4.
Sir, you should find the LCM of the denominators.
Alright, you think we should find the LCM? Someone think we should just add. Deandra, what's your opinion on this? 8 over 5 plus 9 over 4. What's the next step?
Sorry, we're supposed to find the LCM of the two denominators.
Okay. Senior, It's the same person, and that was up. I'm just clicking on because no one else wants to volunteer.
Sir, we are going to add the numerator and we are going to add the denominator.
So add 8 plus 9 to give you 17, and 5 plus 4 to give you 9. That's what you're saying?
Yes, sir. And then after we get the 17 over 9, we are going to break it down. And we are going to see which number can go into 17 and which number can go into 9 without leaving a remainder.
Okay, thank you so much. Nahala. Neela. Let me keep saying that. Neela, go ahead. What's the next step? We're not hearing you, Neela. Not sure.
Okay, so sir, first you have to find the LCM of the two denominators, which is 5 and 4.
Well, yeah, we just want to stop there. Just want to tell us. Yeah. All right. You don't have to work it out to the end. Just want to know what's the next step. Tori J, what's the next step? And then we're going to move on. Oh, I forgot. We're not hearing a Tori J. Not hearing Tori J today at all. So, guys, first we check if the denominators are the same. They are not. So, just like when we have 3 over 9 plus 2 over 9, because it has the same denominator, we keep the numerator, right? We add the numerator. But if we have a half plus a quarter, we don't say 2 plus 4 give us 6, and 1 plus 1 give us 2. That would not be correct. So the correct thing to do is to find the LCM, because they have to bring them to the same denominator. So we list the multiples of 5 and 4. Let's do that. 5 and 4, so 5, 4. So 5 and 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Same thing for 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. Plus 4, 16. Plus that. Wow. Seeing that the LCM is 20. So 5 into 20 goes 4 times. So we times the numerator. So 8 4s, 32. 4 into 20 goes 5 times. So 9 5, 45. Then of course we add. So 5 and 2, 7. 4 and 3, 7 over 20. How many groups of 20 we can get out of 60? Out of 77. Let me ask you guys that. How many groups of 20 can we get out of 77? We have 2 minutes. Tiffany. No, it's not Tiffany. Let's see some answer up. Brooks. No, is she part of here?
Sir?
I think I clicked on you by mistake. I was trying to reach Brooks. Hold on.
No.
Oh. How many groups of 20? You can get Brooks take down your hand, that's why.
3.
Go ahead. How many groups of 20 we can get out of 77?
Sir.
Yeah, go ahead, Brooks.
Oh, we can get 3 20s out of 60.
Thank you. So that's how the whole number comes in. Guys, I'm teaching you how to convert to whole numbers, to mixed numbers, right? So you can get 3 20 out of it, which would drop you at 60. And then, of course, subtract the 60 from the 77. How much you have leave, which is 17. So it's 17 over 20. Alright, so guys, guess what? Make a note of it. We're going to stop here today. And I'll see you guys in the mental ability class.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye,
Bye,
sir.
guys.
I'm
You
going
guys
to
write it
answer
down.
when I work.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Take care. Take care,
Sir.
guys. Make sure you write down the exam.
Okay,
Please.
bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye,
Next week.
sir.
Next week. Bye. Take care. Next week we're
Bye,
gonna continue
sir.
with the mix. Bye. Take care.
What's our topic next week, sir?
Same topic, but we're gonna be doing mix for all 4 operations. So we're gonna look at the mixed numbers adding them, subtracting them, multiplying them, and dividing them.
Okay, sir, the book will be
Bye,
purchased.
sir.
Somebody was saying something about the book. I didn't quite hear.
Oh, sir, I
Toriji,
said
I
the
will
book.
call you after Toriji. Yeah, man, go ahead. Somebody was saying something about the book.
I was saying my mother will purchase the book next week.
Oh, yeah, she told me. All right, no problem.
Bye, sir.
Bye, take care. See you guys.
Oh, sir, by the way, my name is pronounced Nela Long so.
Nila.
Yes, sir.
You told me last week, you know. I don't know, I said Nahala. Because another child, same NAA, but a man say it's Naha. So I think that's what getting me out. Toriji, I soon call you here.
Yes, sir.
Hi, sir, but today I just got my book.
Okay. Yeah, man. You can start use it, Renardo. I'm happy you guys got it, alright?
Okay, sir.
Guys, me
Bye.
will sleep over that book then. Because at one point, it never looked like it is going to happen. So every time somebody texts me and says, sir, I got my book, oh God, my heart feel warm.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
Sir, is the book expensive?
No, it's not. Let me show you the price. And guys, this includes delivery. So free ads. See there? This is what it costs. Toriji, I soon call you back. I see Toriji calling me, but see there, this is what it costs. And you pay this and you get it delivered. You don't have to pay no more.
Bye, sir.
Guys, the government already give your parents a $60,000 book list. So I try to make it, reasonable based on the price that I get it print for. But I'm gonna try to get it print in bulk so I can get it even cheaper, hopefully. Bulk printing reduce the cost, so I'm trying to do that. And the support has been good, Guys, we send book every parish so far, Can you believe that? Every single parish in Jamaica.
Sure, they're not stressed.
Even St. Elizabeth, a place, only gutters can get it if you're in St. Elizabeth. So guys, I'm gonna be coming to St. Elizabeth.
Sir, that's a stress, though.
If you come St. Elizabeth?
Yeah.
That
For real,
year, but
sir.
at the end of the day, I still want to come there. Everybody always say, when I say I go Manchester, people always text me and say, when you coming to St. Elizabeth? That's why I say I'm gonna go there after Manchester. I'm gonna be Manchester I don't know if it's Friday, but it's the 23rd. I think it's Friday coming.
Sir, you're gonna go near to Good Intent?
I go in a town. I don't know a place like that, you say.
Oh.
Can meet me there, yeah man.
Because I was going to go to Manchester weekend, but through I have class, I don't really bother.
Oh, I understand. So probably just text me and see if we can link up.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so tell mommy and daddy and we can arrange it. But I don't know a place like that, so I have to go in the towns.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this is what it costs. $4,000. That's it. Alright. It's good enough. And not because I'm here, right? It's good.
Sir, that's so much money.
No, Ellie, it's not.
Sir, it is.
No.
It is so much money, but you will have.
Sir, how is that?
But it's not you gonna buy it your parents. It's not your lunch money. I wouldn't expect you to
Sir,
use
my
your
mom's
lunch
not
money.
made out of money.
Nobody's mom is made up of money.
Oh my God.
It's reasonable, man.
Just not work like me so you can help your mother.
Alright, see there?
The book is expensive in your
From
but
8
at
o'clock this
least they
morning, me
help
and teach, guys, So I go run now. From 8 o'clock this morning, me and teach. From 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock, then from 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock, then from 10 to 12:30, then from 12:40 to 2 o'clock, then from 2 o'clock to 3:30. The only time I get a break is 3:30. And then you guys class start at 5. That's how rough it is for me.
Oh,
bye,
God.
sir.
Yeah,
Sir,
bye.
at least
So
you're
take
getting
care.
well paid. At least you're getting well paid.
I can't disagree with you still. I cannot.
Sir, you're not tired.
Of course, I'm tired, guys. That's why I'm literally I tell you guys, I'm going to rest now. So, guys, what I normally do, like, no, I'm going to bed. Oh, I'm gonna upload that video here though. I'm gonna bathe and then watch some basketball.
Sir, we're going to be famous on YouTube.
Yeah, of course. Me not stop work till everybody famous, guys. All right, but I don't really love popularity, guys. As I say, me just love money, but me not popularity. A lot of people want to be popular. I prefer the money, honestly. So
Sir,
take care, guys.
Sir, who rather be popular than have money?
TikTokers. Even
Yeah,
if
cause
they're
you
not
can
getting paid.
popular, you know, but you don't have no money. You're
Yeah,
broke.
yeah,
Sir, why? Because
exactly.
you're
Oh,
popular,
That
I
make
think the
no
money will
sense.
come in.
Exactly.
for
Yeah,
real.
yeah.
Sir, but if I go up on TikTok right now, my name must say OP Sanders or something like that. On TikTok, me have 2,000 likes.
All right. Where's the OP
That's
Sanders?
nice. You have more than
Follow me
Yeah,
now. I'm going to follow
we
you
can
back.
promote this, you know.
Yeah, follow me. I'm going to follow you back here.
Yeah.
OP Sanders. You know my name? See my
follow
name
me
already?
too, girl. I'll follow you back.
Yeah.
Sir, I already subscribed to you.
Arnaldo.
Okay, okay. Naldo, if you look on it, you're going to see whole heap of people named Naldo. That's why I say follow me and I'll follow you back.
Alright.
Yeah, yeah. All right.
Yeah. Bye, sir.
Bye. Take care. See you
Yeah,
guys
yeah.
tomorrow, all right?
Yeah.
Bye, sir.
Yeah. Bye. Take care.
So I totally forgot about tomorrow.
Yeah, man, we have class tomorrow. Mental ability. For those who don't come on the Friday. So see you tomorrow. So so tomorrow is another rough day again.
Sir, do we text you the answer for tomorrow, or you?
Oh, it will be on a Google form. So once you click submit, you will get your grade immediately, 1 second after you click submit. So you don't have to text me. I will give you the form tomorrow.
Okay, sir. See you tomorrow. Bye.
All right, bye. Take care.
Sir, I'm just taking these classes because I just want to go to law school.
I love that. So you're gonna become a lawyer?
Same to me.
Sir.
When you become a lawyer, if you get in trouble, you make a call and so be the best lawyer in the country. So if
Sir,
me,
you got
I get
two
no
person
problem.
to call.
I'm not a problem person, but just in case. All right.
Yes,
Work
sir.
hard, man. You can achieve that. And lawyer make a lot of money,
So I go rich.
Yeah, man, it's true. You can be rich from being a lawyer. Especially
But
being a
sir, why
criminal
you have
lawyer.
to make the top subject of being a lawyer math?
No, it's not. It's
It could have
literature.
been reading comprehension.
No, it is. It is. You just probably need maths so you can get into the school, as the person said. It's not maths is the top priority. Literature, what you reading, history, all of that.
I love reading.
I don't even like reading.
Well, you can't become a lawyer if you don't like read, because you have to know all of the laws and all of that, and you have to read up on some cases and see. Guys, lawyers are one of the skilliest person, they can manipulate the truth. Yeah, like you can write and if you have a good lawyer, you end up get wrong. That's how the lawyers are. I don't know if that's awesome because them job just different. Them argue for you and them something there.
Oh, I hope it's not expensive to go in.
It is very. So you have to be the best. You can get scholarship. I had a friend that was a lawyer, and I met her when I was just starting college, and she was at UWI. But then I think after there's so many stages to it though. I think she started selling glasses after a while. Yeah, and she was on scholarship too. She was very good at some point, but I don't know what happened. But she ended up selling glasses.
Oh.
Yeah, but I know you're determined, so that won't be you.
Sir, for real, I'm very determined.
Yeah, exactly. I am determined too, guys. No matter what happens in my life, me never stop trying. Me never stop pushing.
Sir, like one time my TV stopped working and I just keep on trying till it work back.
You just love TV. That is just, you love TV, so you're not gonna stop. I thought, well, like when things get tough,
Yes,
Guys,
sir.
like from September, October, November, December, those were tough times for me, but me never give up. Me did sad at some time, but me still come and me do my classes them. Nobody never know me sad, but me did this sad and depressed. Me still come and do my classes because what happened, guys? Some persons were to get their book from September, and something happened that I didn't have any control over. Me never know what's happening. So when people call me and say, "Mr. Bent, I want my book, what happened to my book?" So I started giving a lot of refunds, because you have some parents, they're not gonna wait. Some of them don't know me, like how some of the parents that know me from grade 4, grade 5. So some of them that just know me now. So them I say, man, you're a thief, Come and give me money and him now give me the book. But something did happen that me never have no control over. So what I did, I just start give refund, and eventually I got somebody else to print the books and and that was in December because I wanted to send them off December 24 because when I went there, Nutspot was crowded because of Christmas. Everybody has sent ties and things. So I couldn't get to send them off. And then now I started send them off. So I'm happy now. I'm so relaxed now. And to make it worse, up here, a lot of people buying them from all over Jamaica. Like my book just a shoot because guys, I tell you the best feeling. I mean, say my book soon full up Jamaica. So when we go up on YouTube, say enough students are gonna say, "Oh, me have the man the book, Cause people buy from me that not even my student as yet. But I hope them become a student, So don't give up, guys. No matter how tough you get, don't give up. Because the teacher never give up. So take care now, guys. All right. See you tomorrow.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Take care. See you tomorrow. I got be no one. I got post a video doing. Oh, I never stop the recording.